I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. Setting up two-factor authentication 2FA on your Xbox Live account is a smart way to enhance your security. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Sign into your Microsoft account. Go to the Microsoft account website and sign in with your Xbox Live credentials. This is the account linked to your Xbox. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, find the Security tab in the top menu. Click on it to access your security settings. Step 3. Set up two-step verification. In the security settings, look for the option labeled two-step verification. Click on it and follow the prompts to enable it. Step 4. Choose your verification method. You will be prompted to select how you want to receive your verification codes, such as via text message or an authenticator app. Choose your preferred method and follow the instructions. Step 5. Test your setup. After setting up, log out and then log back in to test if the two-step verification works. You should receive a code to enter. If you don't, double-check your verification method settings. Setting up 2FA is a great way to keep your account secure. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to revisit the security settings. Happy gaming!